Welcome back. This is Professor Xiao. So far in this course, we have focused on supervised machine learning methods. This week we'll begin unsupervised machine learning. We will specifically focus on analyzing unstructured data. It's important to emphasize that unsupervised machine learning does not have to be unstructured data related. Unsupervised learning can include cluster analysis and affinity analysis, which deal with structured data. And vice versa, unstructured data can benefit from not only unsupervised learning methods, but also supervised and reinforced learning methods. I'd like to provide a few important motivations for studying how to deal with unstructured data properly. You know that social media is everywhere, and people use social media because of a high adoption of personal computing devices, iPhones, iPads, and smart devices. Besides the social media applications, I'm sure that you also use many e-commerce websites on a daily basis, such as Stack Exchange and Reddit. A common feature of these websites is that they have lots and lots of unstructured data, text data to be specific. Analyzing text data is very easy to be done badly. That's why we need to devote specific learning times for dealing with textual data. Unstructured data presents many challenges. It requires a different kind of cleaning operations, and cleaning textual data takes more time than data cleaning and preparation on structured data. After all that you have learned about preparing and wrangling structured data, it's much more fun to clean the textual data, as you will find out in this module. And above all of these motivations, there is one reason for studying unstructured data for you. You can collect large amounts of unstructured data from social media and e-commerce websites without the permission of the website and the companies. If you believe there is unique information to be extracted from the unstructured data, then you might be able to find innovative ways to help large e-commerce websites innovate and compete in a competitive environment. For instance, by mining the textual data on eBay and Amazon.com, you might be able to help eBay to find ways to improve and optimize its website design that is able to compete with Amazon. In this module, you will learn and practice how to deal with and construct a specific kind of model on unstructured data by using the data set that I collected, a large data set from Yelp.com. This dataset contains a large amount of text data, corpus, as we often call it in the natural language processing domain. I will talk about how to collect, clean, prepare, and build models on unstructured data. I cannot wait to get started.